Strata tungsten grinder, it saves a heap of time. So we just have it on the bench next to us when we're welding. If we need to sharpen tungsten, we can literally poke one in there and have it sharpened, sit back down. It's way safer as well. Don't have to go and put PPE on and the likes. It's quiet enough that it's not going to damage hearing. It contains all the toxic dust from sharpening the tungstens as well. So yeah, well worth it. Different angle options, different tungsten size collets. So you can literally position your tungsten collet in any of the angles on the end there. Oh, when you're trying to get work done and you dip your tungsten, the first thing you need is get it sharpened. But yeah, having to walk over to a linisher or a grinder and then put all your PPE on to be able to actually sharpen your tungsten. Whereas you can literally just pick this up and go for it. Yeah, takes a portion of the time. I'd say we'll probably have one at each bench